One of our satisfied customers just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We just love telling everyone about it because our goal is to give each customer a 5-star experience. A happy customer that leaves a review like this online ends up being a repeat customer, and that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring. So if you're seeking a company that's focused on customer satisfaction and high-quality service, we're your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away as a very satisfied customer. Thanks for watching. Call us today. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.